Hey guys, today is Thursday, August 6th, 2020. Right now is almost 10 o'clock, so the market has closed. Let's take a look at the market today. You can see the S&P 500 is climbing a lot further, and it has filled this gap. Okay, this is important. So the price has filled this gap, and right now we are continuing moving up. So I am watching this particular level, as I talked about in the previous video, 3,253 level, and see how the price interact with this particular level. And I think if we move even much higher, we could have a risk of correction coming up, okay, for the S&P 500, because we are deviating away from this green line here, and it probably won't be too long that we might have a correction. And but it's really difficult to time this one, unfortunately, and we just have to see. We just have to see, and I might not even be able to catch this particular opportunity, but we'll see. We'll see if I get lucky or not for the S&P 500. And let's take a look at NASDAQ today. NASDAQ is also up. The business as usual. It's in this particular band. So if NASDAQ goes to higher level, and that could be a confirmation where we could have some short positions on these levels, right? Okay. I mean, this is just a range trade. You're basically buying and selling on the range, and one day it could go against you. So you definitely want to have stop losses on these specific price points. Let's take a look at all the other stocks today. The market is pretty quiet. I don't really see anything that's interesting. Besides, there is a company I used to own called Arlo, and Arlo has been going up like crazy since August, since mostly the end of July, and it has performed really well, but unfortunately I don't have any. The product's great. Arlo has a good product. I used to have this stock. I bought it around this level. I sold it here, $5. Dodged the bullets here, and now the price is even higher. So again, if you're a long-term investor, you can make money in this market. But if you are short-term like me, you can also make money. But if you're super short-term, you're just trading around, you probably won't be able to make money in this market. So it's better to be a swing trader. Your time frame should be between 1 month to half a year, or your time should be much longer, right? Several years. But if you're just doing day trade, it's very difficult to make money in any market, actually. So that's why I'm more focused on holding for the longer term, swing trading, multiple months, holding a particular asset. For example, my cryptocurrency portfolio, I've been holding that since I've been adding to the portfolio since last November, right? So it's been more than 9 months I've been holding my cryptocurrency portfolio. Okay, so let's take a look at cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency today, Bitcoin continued to go up. I've been saying that this GBTC is the best deal in town. You can see that. It had a couple of retractions, right? It had this one, it retracted. It was entry point. There was another entry point just on the end of July. I took that as well. I was able to get in again. I got in here. Actually, my first entry point was not that great. I got in here, went to 9, bounced back. I didn't zoom out of this. When I saw this, I got in around 1180. When it kind of dipped back again, I got in again. My rest of my position at 1172. So I'm 100% in this one based on my overall position that I'm supposed to put in. I actually was able to get all my position in. I was able to buy everything I could at a price of average of 1150 or 1140, I think. and that is good. That was a good trade, and now it's just consistently going up, and it's great. It's a very good thing to hold. And right now, I expect this to go much higher, much higher. I think we're going to get to the $40 range within a month, or within 2 months. We should be able to get to this point. So $40 divided by 14, we're looking at a divided by 11. Actually, we're looking at more than 3.5 times gain in just 2-3 months on a large position. That's what I'm expecting. Hopefully, I can get it. If I do get it, I'm gonna pop some champagne and celebrate. Okay, and let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is I actually have a way bigger position in Ethereum than Bitcoin. My Ethereum position is about three times the size of Bitcoin. Quite a lot. And Ethereum has done really well for me so far. But I am expecting this to, I don't know if this is going to go even higher, but I am expecting, so this is my price target right now. Let me just show you. I am thinking that it could, there's a lot of people trapped at this point, obviously, right? You can just tell. And there's also a lot of people trapped at this particular price level. And so it's possible that because we have broken through this point, like this, anything below here, everyone's profitable. So we have broken through that. And so the next resistance actually is way higher. It's about at 874. I think we could be in this rally, we could get to that point. I mean, it's to the $874, and which is only double from this point. If you think about it, it's only double the price if you bought here. So for someone who bought here, even we get to the 800 level, the gain is not that huge. It's only like 100% gain. And I think that is a good target to take a look at. But of course, anything could happen. Anything could happen. And right now, this price is still following a pretty strict trend line, right? So you can see that here. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at the price has gone over a little bit. You can see that here. So I think the price could maybe have a little bit correction, then just keep moving up, right? I'm looking for a small correction from this point, and I don't think that's gonna be a bearish sign. That's gonna be bullish, because I know there are a lot of buyers are waiting to buy at some lower level below 400, and if we can dip to 356, that would be a great position, a location for someone to enter. But if we don't, if this thing doesn't dip, right, it just goes horizontal and keep going up, then I mean, there's nothing I can do either, right? There's nothing I can do either. But I am not. I mean, I don't really have much money to add to this position anyway. I'm pretty much in. I'm 100% in this position. So yeah, it is what it is. So I'm just holding on to my Ethereum. Okay. And that's all I want to talk about today, and hope you guys had a great week of trading, and see you next time.